Today we're featuring a 2014 Honda Odyssey EXL. It is a certified Honda. It's got 66,000 miles on it. It's a Carfax one owner. Alright, it's taffeta white in color. And I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Alright, it does have the lock unlock button and the door handles there. Driver's side of the Odyssey is in good shape. A couple little nicks down here on the back bumper, but that's normal for the entry point there. It's got a rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Just a little bit of wrinkle right here in the body. Kind of goes all the way through, right through here, with a scratch right there. Alright, it does have a blind spot monitor camera as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, it's got the truffle and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It's got the truffle leather power driver's seat. Alright, driver's seat's in good shape. It does have two keyless entry key fobs. Passenger seat looks good. No issues with the leather there. It does have your sunroof and DVD player. We'll show you that in a second. There's your blind spot monitor button there. It does have power sliding rear doors and lift gate. And it's got your lane departure warning there. Okay, let's see. It's got your display screen there, and I'll show you that in a second. Push button start, heated seats, dual climate controls, and another display screen there. You got your push button start. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. We've got your, before we do that, we've got your leather wrap steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Okay, it's got 66,302 miles on it. Go ahead and show you their display screen here. Alright, we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, and your blind spot monitoring system. And that is exactly what it says it is. It's a monitor of your blind spot. Puts it right up here on the display screen. You can either activate it by pushing the button or turn signals. Alright, and once again you got your heated seats, dual climate controls, and then your AM/FM display screen right there. And also you do have your steering wheel audio controls and your Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Does have your, let's go ahead and hit this button here. It's got your power, dual power sliding doors. Alright, nice and smooth there. Back seat leather's in good shape. Alright, and it's got the DVD player. Alright, go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and layout. And this Odyssey is also equipped with the third row seating. Right, third row leathers looks good. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back. Power lift gate, smooth coming up. Alright, plenty of space down here. Looks like a little bit of a stain back here on the carpet. Not a really big deal. Got your power outlet there. Alright, and the seats do go down. Opens it up back here a little bit more. As you can see, definitely opens it up. To engage the lift gate, simply press this button, and you can see slow going down there, nice and smooth. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the wheels and tires. We've got, what size we got here? Let's see. 17-inch alloys. Okay. Brand new set of tires on here. Alright, once again guys, we got a 2014 certified Honda Odyssey EXL, 66,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. It's good condition inside and out. Got to come down, check it out and see it. Take a test drive. Thank you for watching the video.